Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is the authentic Moroccan lamb tagine with dried prawns. We make this kind of dish when we have company or holidays. The lamb is so moist and tender, and the dried prawns, we cook them to perfection and it'll be like so tender and sweet. And for the decoration, you can put on the top some almonds and sesame seeds. In a large cooking pot, I put three chopped white onions, and I will add olive oil. I prefer cooking with olive oil, and also in Moroccan cooking, we cook a lot with extra virgin olive oil. I will leave these onions cook a little bit until they become transparent before I add the pieces of lamb. The lamb, as you see here, has spices on it. The day before, if I'm cooking a large quantity, the day before or 2 days before, I marinate the lamb with salt, black pepper, some ginger powder, and turmeric powder. And always in the Moroccan cooking, the ginger is more than the black pepper. Use like if you use half teaspoon of black pepper, you will use a teaspoon of ginger powder. Put all my lamb here. Before that, I add the rest of the ingredients. And now I add a spoon of ghee or smin. If you don't have this, you can add like 2 tablespoons of butter. And here I have saffron. I put this saffron in a like quarter cup of water to get all the color out of it. Then I add it to the lamb. That gives this Moroccan dish a very good flavor. Here I add 2 sticks of cinnamon, because this dish have some sweetness to it also. I covered the lamb for a few minutes until I get all the spices from both sides, like simmer a little bit. Then I will add here the enough water to cook the lamb. The lamb will take like an hour and a half to 2 hours cooking. Always add hot water in the side, not on the top of the meat. Enough water to cook this lamb, like that it becomes so tender and moist. You cook it in medium heat, you cover it, and let it cook until it's really tender. In the meantime, I have dried prawns here. I put them in another small pot. I add some butter, stick of cinnamon, a little bit of cinnamon powder, and a little bit of ginger right there, a pinch of salt. Then I take some of the gravy from the meat, the lamb, and add it to this prawns. Like that you get the flavor of the dish. Enough liquid to make it tender, to cook on it and become tender. Then I add some brown sugar, or you have regular sugar if you like to, and some honey. Some people use only sugar, some people use only honey, some use the combination between sugar and honey. Depend of how sweet you like it. It's cooking right now. You want it to cook until it become like that, the prawns, so tender and well done. For the meat, the lamb, you see here is reduced the gravy. The meat is so tender. This meat is falling out the bone and so delicious. Like when you cook your meat for 2 hours or more, it's so delicious, this meat, and tender and moist. Try this recipe, you will love this way of cooking lamb. And that's the final result. When I put it in the plate, I plate it. I put the lamb with the low gravy right there. I put the prawns. I decorate with the prawns. Some roasted almonds. You can use the whole almonds or like this almonds. A little bit of sesame seeds, roasted sesame seeds. And also in Morocco, some people use the boiled eggs, decorate with them also this dish. Thank you for watching. See you next time in a new video, a new recipe, and enjoy.